up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got the Traxxas / two-wheel drive. Yeah, I had a whole video on the before picture. Like I changed the body, changed the wheels, changed the arms. I had all of that on video before I did it, so y'all can see a before and after picture. But of course, the genius erased all of that. But this is the follow-up video. This is the finished product. Got this from RC Discount Superstore along with the Fiesta rally car, Traxxas rally car. It was $250 for both. It's an awesome deal. But yeah, but this one, I changed the body. It was a regular one, and I changed it to the clipless body now. It actually fits on the older chassis tires. Let y'all check that out. Clipless body, man. That's basically what it is. So here go the inside. It looks so bare in these slashes. See, I got the orange arms in the front. I don't have orange in the back, but I got an orange woolly bar. I think a 60 amp ESC, something like that. 3800 kV motor, but it also has metal drive shafts in the back, RPM hubs. Did the orange woolly bar. You got metal gears in this for the spur gear. You got a metal spur gear, RPM cover for them. These tires I got on here, these are to the Red Cat Volcano. Just put the little orange in, put the Traxxas labels on all four yet. So what I'm gonna do is see how it runs, see if I'm gonna upgrade the tires to something better. But without
yo, check this out. Ready.
Not bad so far, but I see delay. I see a lots of delay. Not bad so far. Yeah, two-wheel drive power. Yeah, them tires not gonna hold out. I see that right now. Oh, not on the body. Jesus Christ. And it looked like it broke. Yeah, that was quick lived. The pin came out. Didn't nothing break, but the pin came out right there. I actually was gonna jump this thing, but nothing's broke. I think I might have had the pin too short. Didn't go all the way through. What I should have put a nut on the end of that, and then it wouldn't have happened. That's what I'm gonna do the next time I put that on. So I'm gonna fix this real quick, and then I'll get right back into it. Yeah, I'm back at it. Put a longer screw in there. Two-wheel drive power. And I had to glue the tires. And she stopped moving. Battery came loose. Yeah, she losing range. That's that Traxxas stuff right there, man. try to keep it factory, but Traxxas stuff. Sorry about the wind there. Yeah, that's too far. Right there is too far. There we go. Yeah. This car gonna make me exercise, I see. Yeah, them tires is literally behind all. I gotta do something with the tires. No, not on that body. Yeah, lower delay. Once she rolling, the delay ain't that big. Yeah, once she start rolling, it's a little delay. Once she start rolling, it's alright. Nothing wrong with two-wheel drive, man. Just a little harder to control than all-wheel drive. Got that whip around like that. You don't have that whip around with four-wheel drive. Think the battery dead or overheated? Yeah, I'm all finished now, and I see what this car needs. It needs upgraded ESC, receiver, and tires. It already have an upgraded spur gear, metal, a hot racing spur gear. It got RPM parts on it. I have orange bits on it to bring it out a little more. Plus I want to get some orange arms for the back. Yeah, but two-wheel drive ain't bad. You know, it's certain things you can do with two-wheel drive that you can't with four. Certain things you can do with four, but not two. But either or, I'm satisfied. Got the orange wheelie bar in the back, held out pretty good. Orange skid, flipped it a couple times, but it's not that bad. But I want to put some orange bits right here too. See if they come in orange. Maybe an orange bumper, or might just be bumper black. That might be too much going on. But yeah, this thing is, man, it's awesome so far. More coming soon on this video. I'm gonna do little upgrades here and there, and I'm gonna show you the end results. But stay tuned for more. Hit that like button, notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'm out.